Hey everyone, welcome to Chai and Faith. This is Laura. Today I am planning in my Happy Planner. I am doing the vertical layout, classic size, and I actually have this set up more as a Franken planner, and it's in the Faith, with the Faith cover, which I love from this past season. It's so pretty. I use this one. I have 4 planners, three in it. I have my Wellness and Faith, and then I have this one, and then I have my projects. And I use this one. This is like my fun, catch-all, happy, just fun. I like fun. This week, my husband's birthday, so I have that already marked down. So we're just going to add some fun, hopefully, stickers. I have some of these I thought I'd try to use for this week. I don't know how it's going to go, but we're going to try it and see what happens. I love these cherry blossom ones, and I just thought it would be fun to try to add them. I think it'll go with the peach okay. Yeah, so let's just try it and see what happens. I thought this sticker was so cute. It says, "Don't forget to stop and smell the cherry blossoms." You know, it's that time of year where things are starting to bloom, and I've always wanted, like, I think that's a dream of mine, to go to Japan maybe someday. They have beautiful cherry blossoms, and also like the East Coast. But yeah, I love the quote for this week. Focus on your goal. Don't look in any other direction but ahead. So I thought that was good. And I think I want to try to put, they have this like little ninja in here. He's adorable. And I just thought maybe I could like point him down. I don't know. And really, it's just for him to remind me of that quote. Yeah, he's good. Okay. So, I thought I could use a couple of these box stickers that came in it. And since this is kind of my catch-all, and I'm totally doing stuff crooked. All right, let's fix that. Maybe. There we go. I thought I'd try to incorporate some of the boxes for this one because I don't need a ton of space, but then there might be like things throughout the week that I just want to remember to do. So I thought I'd put these 2 in here just to add that little bit of pink and yellow throughout the week. Going off the yellow here, the pink here. That's why I thought this would be a good spread. I don't know. We'll see. So let's see. There's a couple other cute ones. There's this one that I thought was adorable, and I thought was like a good one for like my rest, renew, and refresh day on Sunday. I don't know. I thought they were cute. I'm gonna focus you in just a little bit more. See if that's picks. I want to make sure you guys can see these. Okay, so they have these cute little strips, and I thought, oh, it's a little long. Okay, wonder if it'll fit here. I could put this right here below that sticker, and then I want to see if they have. I was hoping they had a yellow one, but I don't see one. They have more ninjas. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. Okay. I think we'll use these numbers right down here, and I want to put something at the top. We'll put this guy because he's pretty awesome. It's another little ninja, and like reminding me, don't forget to do these things. Okay, and then I wanted to find, maybe we'll use this gold one. I don't know if that'll go there or not. Well, we'll try it. Just something to put over to fill the box. I just don't know if I have one for the yellow, so let's look. Alright, I might have to move the sticker again if it'll let me. And we'll put it all the way down to the bottom this time. Try to make it straight. And then I'm going to put this little guy on top because I thought maybe, or maybe it's its crown. Use stickers the way you want them to be used. It's coming along. Okay. So then we have this super cute little people hanging out. I don't know, friends maybe. Throw that in on a Wednesday. So then they have trying to think how I can do this. These guys are really cute, and I know I don't use boxes a lot, but maybe I can throw, I think I can throw one there. I think I can throw one there. And then, let's see, one can go up there. I'd like to throw one on Friday morning. I don't have anything to put in it though. But for aesthetics, I'm doing it, and maybe I'll find something. And that one is totally crooked. Oh, goodness sakes. Okay, so we have these to do. I thought I could use. And I have another one here that I thought I could use. Maybe we'll put black up here on Thursday. And then I'm going to do a pink one. And we'll do that one. It's supposed to be on Tuesday, but I feel like, yeah, I guess that'll work. Okay. Guys, I really love this. I think it's so adorable. What do you think? Yay, nay? Not your style? It's okay. I don't know. I found these at Michael's. They're part of the Wonton and a Million Paper or Park Craftsmith Weekly Sticker Kit. Yeah, I think they're kind of cute. Something different, something fun, and they're adorable. So, hope you liked this layout. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I'd love to see you again. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button if you haven't. And have a blessed day. We'll see you again soon.